possible without the help of of our organizing committee here. So I call upon Mr. Naresh Chanvirappa, co-chair from Central California. Naresh, please come out. Naresh, Mr. Dada Saheb Patil from Southern California, co-chair. As I call upon the committee members, the families have shown a lot of support, so we are grateful to the families as well. With shortage of time, I will follow the committee and the members here. And next is Shiv Vibhuti, General Secretary. Mrityunjay Hiranand, General Secretary. Shiva Magnani, Treasurer. Harshanji, Treasurer. To share a few words. The food committee has to go back, so let me call them first. Mr. Deepak Gulla.
Give them a big round of applause.
And Jagdish Shiroji. Jagdish. Deepak, I invite you to speak a few words.
First of all, I'd like to start with thank you for your patience with all the food-related activities. And I know that there have been some delays with the breakfast or lunch. And thanks for understanding our problems and being patient. And I hope that you'll continue to do the same as well. And we'll try to do our best from our side. And hope you enjoy the event and the food.
I would just say thank you for everything.
Many of the attendees have been staying in the hotel. I hope the hotel stay was very comfortable. I'd like to call Mahadev Kadiguda, who has worked very hard to make it possible. Mahadev.
Thank you, and I hope I did the hotel booking and the shuttle with Anil. I hope you all got what you wanted and your stay at the hotel will be present. And the hotel people were also very accommodative. We should thank them. They have accommodated all of our change requests, and believe it or not, the last one happened a few hours ago. So thank you to them also.
Thank you, Mahadev. Apart from the hotel, Mahadev has also helped greatly with the shuttle. So Mahadev and Anil Halappa has helped with the shuttle service. Now we move on to stage management. Basuraj Bhankar, who has been coordinating the stage activities. Rupa Munvalli has helped with the decorations committee. Rupa. Kavita Gowda. Akshata Mulimani. All through the moment we opened the registration and even before that, Rajesh Munvalli has worked tirelessly to compile the list and send out communication to all the attendees. So I invite Rajesh Munvalli.
I just want to warn you that I know all your names, so I just need the social security numbers. I'm all set for the line. Thank you.
Sheila Shankar has helped with the medals, trophies. So we have given part of them, and some will go tomorrow. Sheila Shankar. Sheila Shankar. Entertainment committee has also worked very hard to bring the programs. So I invite the members of the entertainment committee. Shilpa Shri. Shilpa Shri. Shobhlata Patan Shetty. Shobhlata. Sarva Patil from Southern California. Savita Mandi from Southern California. Anita Chandrasavaya, Anita Naresh, Anita from Central California. And I hope you have all enjoyed the emceeing by the MC team. Invite Vishwanand Patan Shetty, he needs no introduction. Mangala Shivkumar also helped with emceeing yesterday. So I would like to invite Nish Ulagadi, our youth team member. Lakshmi Raymond from the youth committee. Lakshmi Raymond. For the children's competition, the Anuradha Burji and Chetan Burji, the couple have worked hard. So I'd like to invite them on the stage, please. Singles meet has been, there was a lot of interest in singles meet. Shaila Kori was the lead for singles meet. I'd like to invite Shaila Kori to the stage. Purnima Vanti took a very important role in singles meet as well. Purnima Vanti. Rupa Magnadi also helped a lot during the event. Rupa Magnadi and Shailaja Iroji. Shailaja Iroji. To arrange a program of this magnitude, an event of this magnitude, we definitely need funds. So our fundraising committee has worked hard to generate the funds. I'd like to invite Mr. MC Gowda, the lead for the fundraising committee. I'd like to invite Vijay Kotrappa for helping us for the United Land Bank to get the funds. Vijay. Sada Hebbard, fundraising committee. Sada. And Basu Ulagadi.
I would like to thank you for United Bank as well as all the sponsors who sponsored and make this event wonderful. Without your help, we cannot do this. So once again, from our committee as well as the VSNA, everybody from here, thank you very much for your help. Once again, give them a big hand.
Basu Ulagadi. Basu Ulagadi, the fundraising committee. While we are all enjoying the programs, there are several people who are working in the background. I'd like to invite for the audio video committee, Sadashiv Kudlamat. Please come over. Mahantesh Udikeri for the video, for help on video. Ravi Shekhar for help on photography. Shantraju Police Patil for help on photography. For the religious committee, Ling Puja, we got help from Mrs. Ayya. I would like to invite Mrs. Ayya to the stage. Manjula Mat and Sheila Shankar, they helped with the religious committee. While the program schedule was put up by Sharan Mat, so I'd like to invite Sharan to the stage. Sharan. Next we have the advisory board. We have Dr. Nagbhushan Malakala, who has been very much enthusiastic about the convention right from the beginning, right from September, October. So I'd like to, without it would have been possible. Dr. Nagbhushan Malakala. Mr. Mahantesh Shirimat on the advisory board. His help is also very much appreciated. And Sada Hebbar. And we also have Shiva Magnali and Rupa Magnali who have been helping us through the convention preparation. Muthu also helped with the website, so I'd like to thank him. Jai Hiranand.
It is a teamwork. So you see how these people were helping the convention. In addition to that, VSNA officers, especially Somsekhar Palaga, helped us a lot. So thank you very much for everybody.
And for arranging the college tour and youth committee, I'd like to invite Namita Malakla, who has helped a lot during the program. Namita? And Nish Ulagadi for the youth committee.
I think, we have a very big committee, so we hope we haven't missed anybody. If we have missed, please come, so don't mind, and please come and join us. We have spent more than maybe 200, I think it's around 200 to 250 hours in the conference call. So since November, I think we started planning for this activity. Initially, we were not sure how many people are going to attend this convention. Initially, we thought 700 people. Then we looked at the data, in the last few conventions, how many people have attended the convention during this summertime, how many people are going back to India. So we did all the planning because to calculate the hotel rooms, how many hotel rooms we need, how much shuttle space is required. Mahadev and Anil, they are spending time. Mahadev spent a lot of time in figuring out how many rooms we need, right? Because if we cancel the rooms, that money is, we have to pay from the VSNA. So he did a lot of work in the background, and then for the shuttle timing, so he applied his queuing theory to make sure all the people are sent back and forth between the hotel and the JCC. And so I thank you everybody. Everybody has spent large amount of time, and then even though some of the people have assigned some roles, but people took they wore different hats, and then they did different activities. And Rajesh Munwali single-handedly handled the registration of 400 people, so he did a lot of work, and then he also prepared the registration bag by himself, so he put all the materials, and then with some help from other. And then all the chapter presidents, so they cooperated really well, and with all the help from Central VSNA and all the three chapters, so we were able to have such a good event. So I thank everyone, and it was my pleasure to work as a general secretary for this convention. So I thanks everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. I just pass this to Dada Saheb Patil to say a few words.
Actually, the majority of work is done by the Northern California chapter because they are actually local. You are co-host. Most of the work we did is over the phone, just talking and telling them what to do. Just giving the orders, but not doing anything. So majority of the things has been done by them. So please do a big hand to them. And also, presidents of all the three chapters, HIPS, Savita Mandi, and the central Arun Kumar. So they all done a good job, and actually VP is here from Central VSNA, Purnima. Okay, and thank you. I covered most of them, if not. Please.
And all the volunteers, in fact, there are a lot of people who are not part of the committee, but they work so hard to make this convention very successful. I would like to thank all of them.
But most importantly, I would like to thank all of you for coming, because if you did not register and come here, there would be no conventions.
Thank you all. It was very nice knowing most of the Northern California people. This is the beginning of beautiful relationship as Casablanca in the movie Casablanca. So I look forward to working with you more often.
So again, most important in a convention is finally we come out to in black rather than in red. So I'm happy to say that this year we are looking very, very good coming out ahead, well within the budget. So with a lot of people have put an effort here and we control the budget in many aspects, thanks to Mahadev, Rajesh Gowder, and the people who work all and volunteer, Team Chu, Buddhi, and the folks have put a lot of effort. And again, thanks for the donors who came in at the right time for us to conduct all these functions. Thanks.